Hi, Josh Montgomery here, and this is Art plus Story. Let's talk about my piece, Vulture. The title, Vulture, is a visual study of how cultural elements are often harvested and commodified for profit. This piece examines the persistent nature of market dynamics where everything becomes a product, even culture. At the center of this art piece, you'll notice that instead of a brain, there's a flask. Now, this flask is symbolic. It represents the secret sauce. The secret sauce represents the essence of creativity and cultural identity. In the background, there's a factory, meticulously extracting, transporting, and distilling the secret sauce into nice, appealing bottles. These bottles then travel along a conveyor belt and loaded into the back of an 18-wheeler truck, ready to be sold. These machines, conveyor belts, factory workers, helicopters, and other elements of commerce represent the relentless machinery of capitalism. Now, throughout this piece, you'll find subtle elements that point to the loss of authenticity and the commercialization of culture. For instance, the pretty bottles are a nod to how products are often stripped of their true meaning and repackaged to appeal to mass markets. Here you have the distillation machine, and its job is to strip out the essence and the context behind the original idea and package it in a way that the mass market can absorb it. Vulture is a reflection of society, urging viewers to consider the true cost of cultural commodification. I want this piece to serve as a wake-up call to recognize and respect the origins of many of the popular things we consume daily. Oftentimes, the sources of these amazing products, trends, and movements that we all enjoy miss the opportunity to monetize their brilliance and get credit where credit's due. All right, if you enjoyed this video, then do me a favor, like and subscribe to my channel, and you can find more videos just like this. Also, check out joshmontgomeryart.com where you can find some cool merch. You can keep your tabs on me and see what the latest and greatest is there. And last but not least, until the next time we connect, this is Josh Montgomery. This is Art plus Story. Peace.